Meaning of dinosaur.
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 Dinosaur. The term dinosaur refers to a group of extinct reptiles that lived millions of years ago. These creatures are known for their massive size and distinctive appearance, with features such as sharp teeth, bony plates, and long tails. Dinosaurs first appeared during the Mesozoic era and dominated the Earth for millions of years before becoming extinct, likely due to a combination of factors such as climate change and asteroid impact. Today, the study of dinosaurs is an important field of research that helps us better understand the history of life on our planet.